I am Mukwananzi Thompson from Zvokuitirwa Village, Ward 3. I am a farmer who also do tree nurseries. We do have got some challenges in our area, which includes water shortages, dry and hot weather. The soil is gravel. We've got some ants which destroys the plants. We have got that bad narrative from the villagers that fruit trees will not grow well in our area. I sometimes used to travel long distances in search of fruit. But after the PDC training at Porridge in 2020, I started my own tree nursery at home, doing both exotic and indigenous trees, with the fruit trees included there. By December the same year, I have managed to come up with 2,266 seedlings. To date, I have transplanted 33 plants, among them 10 mango, 7 pawpaw, 2 avocado, 5 nachis, 5 lemon, 2 crotons, and 3 jacaranda. Step by step, I managed to defeat that bad narrative that fruit trees will not grow well in our area. In the near future, I will no longer traveling distances again in search of fruits, while we will be taking fruits just a doorstep away, thereby selling and further processing surplus so that we can eat again as a family during off seasons. There we have got new farmers who are coming for help as they wish to come up with fruit trees at their homes. On the long run, I'm supporting and putting a hand on the reforestation and afforestation drive as deforestation graph is on the rise regionally. I thank you.